Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a bit more of a real working process. I want to show you how to make a huge flounce on a dress bottom. Have a look at the sketch. We're making a dress of a striped fabric. The dress is flared. There are 3 types of stripes on the front. 1, 2, 3. The bottom of the dress is 2.7 meters long, without a flounce. Today I want to show you how this dress looks like before the first fitting and how to make a flounce. Have a look here. Svetlana is making this dress. This is a pattern for the dress. As you can see, a customer is not small. Notice that the front is cut in 3 details. Svetlana also marked the direction of stripes in order not to make mistakes. Next, I want to show you the dress on a dummy. Have a look here. Notice that the stripes are placed in 3 directions, just like on the sketch. The back is flared. There is a seam on the center back. The stripes look pretty good here too. Next, Svetlana needs to attach a flounce to the dress. Here it is. As I've already said, the dress is 2.7 meters wide at the bottom. There will also be inseam pockets here. Have a look here. Notice that when making the back, Svetlana thought about the pockets in advance. Learn to work this way. It's very convenient. She won't have to add anything to the back when making pockets. Amazing. Next, Svetlana will show you how to gather the flounce. Threads should be very strong. Regular threads are not suitable for this kind of work. We usually make 2 rows of stitching for gathering fabric. Svetlana loves everything to be perfect, so she made 3 rows of stitching. Notice that there are regular threads on the right side and the strong ones on the wrong side. Notice that she made a loop here. You'll see what it is for. Have a look at the flounce. It's more than 4 meters long now. Watch how Svetlana gathers the flounce. She pulls the strong threads to do it. I remind you that there are 3 rows of stitching in the flounce. You should pull them all together. Now she can move further. The tailors of my fashion house create a lot of amazing sewing techniques. I would never come up with an idea to fix a flounce this way for gathering. I would just waste a lot of time trying to gather it on a table. The tailors of my fashion house are absolutely amazing. I love them all. I think that it's very useful for you to see some real working process. I also want such dress. I know that I shouldn't want it, but I do. How could I live without it? I also want a flared dress with a flounce. Just imagine what a torture it is for me every day. I see so many beautiful clothes. I want them all. Notice how convenient it is to work when you know that everything is perfect. The threads are very strong, so we know that they won't break. The flounce should be 2.7 meters long. We need to measure it. The flounce is 2.7 meters long now. Svetlana is trying to make even folds. It's better to do it this way than on a table. It's very hard to make folds even. People often ask me how to do it. There is no special technique. You just need to see it. You can't even imagine how long it takes to make a perfect flounce. Svetlana will finish working with the flounce off the camera. That's all for today. We're Paukšte Irina and Svetlana. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.